Alright, so that is 400 square feet. I unloaded. Super heavy, the ones that are wet. I'm gonna go pick up another 400 square feet and then start laying it out. Here I am at the sod farm. It is awesome. The grass is so nice. It is cool. They're cutting the grass right there.
Están pesados esas madres. Sí. Mira, ahí va uno que está, ese de la orilla, que está mal. Pero todo lo demás está bueno. Ese de aquí. Ajá. Pero ahí llevas extra, pues. Yeah.
Grass is going in, looking pretty good. I'm gonna cut around this little guy. Oof. All right, here we go. Almost done. I might not do that because I'm gonna do a little gardening bed along this because I don't want to have any moisture going in there. Almost done. This is going awesome. It's looking great. I've been watering it. It's looking pretty good, man. Pretty good. The time consuming part right here with the cutting, but it's going fine. Not too bad. Man, this is looking real good. Real good. So I got those 5 pieces back there. We'll put them on another row. I have to take that block out and it should square it off. That's nice. And then I have an extra 7 pieces there to extend that way in that direction. The guy hooked it up. It's looking nice, real nice. All right, here we go. So that's about 2 feet from there to there, all the way down. I'll put a little bit of plants right there or something, make it look nice. Grass. It came out great. Now all I got to do, put some more down here on that row and then this row to finish it off. So 2 more rows. I just need to remove this area here. So I have enough there. And then there's that. There's a little bit in this wheelbarrow. There's a lot there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a lot. So this is good. I might put a little bit more on this side. We'll see. All right, there it is, complete. Oh yeah. How do you like it, babe?
Very nice. Very beautiful.
Fantastic.
Very aesthetic.
The boss approves. The boss approves. Just gotta sweep these up real quick. That's it. Today is Tuesday, April 7th. 5 days after we got the grass. I've been watering it 2 to 3 times a day. It's growing in pretty good. Hasn't died yet, so that's good. I put in those 5 posts in the back for the little trellis. So we're making progress. I'll record more of that as I'm doing it. Cool. Alright, here we go. Wednesday, April 8th. It is almost a week, just 2 more days. The grass is doing good. You can still see some of the lines, but it's catching up nicely. It's growing in. This is awesome. And the paved area over here came up pretty good. Making progress. Today is day 6 of the grass. It is pretty good, doing pretty good. The lines are like blurring. It's crazy. Nice, nice, nice. So here is the grass. This is officially day 8. It looks really good. And a quick update on the shed from that last video. I did roof it. Shout out to my pops for giving me all that roofing material. Pretty awesome. I put the sand on this, so I gotta sweep it out. I'm gonna put the weed barrier on the rest of this side, and I'll probably buy mulch and then just cover it up. The grass is so good. Those 2 green little patches that were there are turning green again. This is wild. It's coming out pretty good. I need to get a little windmill for the gophers. Nice. Okay, this is week 3 with the grass. The lines are practically done, like gone. Now you could just see the differences because some are shorter than others, but the lines are pretty much almost gone. I have to cut the grass hopefully tomorrow. I'm gonna go pick up a lawnmower from OfferUp. And right now I'm cutting out these pieces of wood for that trellis thing I'm gonna build for Maria. And I'll probably lay down some stone aggregate over there later tonight or maybe tomorrow. Progress is coming along really good on the house, man. Alright, here we go. Here's how this is looking so far. So we got these up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I put both of these. I need one more bracket for the last one. It's coming out pretty good. Pretty good. Alright, we're gonna cut the grass for the first time. I'm gonna take off these little sensors. I have 8 of them. I'll take them off and then I'll start cutting it. Let's see how it goes. Alright, alright. First cut. Look at this. It looks good.